Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, southwestern Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, northwestern Somerset County in northern New Jersey, southeastern Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania until 5:30 p.m. At 4:49.
What the? You want cotton candy? Pick it up, bitch. I'm joking.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaged roofs, siding, trees, and power lines.
We're not on this one, but...
Locations impacted include...
It's cotton candy!
Bridgewater, Forest, Clear Town.
That's the flavor you want.
It's just stopped raining.
Get out of my room, you dumb bitch!
Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle.
What ball is that?
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued up until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Somerset, and Warren, and the following counties in
Get out of here!
Lehigh and Northampton.
You already got one!